Okay, let's jump right in. What if I told you that you could grow a surprising amount of protein on a simple shelf in your home in just 30 days without using any soil? It sounds like science fiction, but it's completely real and incredibly simple. The best part? You can get started for just $5. That small investment gets you seeds that grow into a dense carpet of nutrient-rich greens, all from a single shelf in about a month. What we're talking about here are hydroponic greens, more specifically microgreens. These are harvested when they're very young, which is when their nutritional value is at its peak. This isn't some brand new invention. People have been growing food this way for years. But today, with simple and affordable supplies, anyone can do it at home. So what's the payoff? These tiny greens are packed with plant-based protein. They're also rich in fiber, iron, and essential B vitamins, all in a very small serving. And the turnaround time is fast. From seed to harvest takes just 30 days. While they won't replace something like steak, gram for gram, they offer impressive nutrition for such a simple crop. Now here's the interesting part. Plants don't actually need soil. Soil is just a delivery system for what plants really need: water, light, nutrients, and air. By providing those four things directly, especially oxygen for the roots, you can grow healthy plants in a simple tray without any dirt at all. The process is also satisfying to watch. In the first week, tiny sprouts appear. By day 15, you'll see leafy growth. And by day 30, you'll have a thick, harvest-ready layer of greens. Let's talk about cost. Seeds are around $5. A tray might cost $3. Growing medium like coconut coir is about $6, and nutrients cost around $12. That's roughly $26 total to get started. But if you already have containers or a sunny spot, the cost drops even lower. The barrier to entry is extremely low. The best part? You can get started for just $5. That small investment gets you seeds that grow into a dense carpet of nutrient-rich greens, all from a single shelf in about a month. Now here's the biggest mistake beginners make: overwatering. This is the number one reason crops fail. Think of roots like lungs. Give them moisture, but also space to breathe. That one simple idea can save your entire harvest. So how does this compare to traditional protein sources like beef? While beef has more protein per bite, microgreens are more efficient in other ways. When you look at protein per dollar, per square foot, and speed of growth, microgreens are incredibly efficient. Now what do you do with them? You can add them to salads, blend them into smoothies, mix them into meat, or toss them into soups and eggs. They work best as a nutritional booster, enhancing meals you already eat. This isn't just a fun experiment. Growing your own food, even in small amounts, connects to bigger global trends. Food prices are rising. Traditional farming uses huge amounts of water. This method uses very little and gives you more control over what you eat. There are no hidden additives, no hormones, no antibiotics, just clean, simple food you grow yourself. So think of this as a low-risk, 30-day experiment. It's not hype and it's not a miracle solution, but it is a practical step. It's a simple way to supplement your food and see how much you can grow on just one shelf. Getting started is easy. Step 1, buy a $5 seed packet. Step 2, set up a tray. That's it. Try it for 30 days and see what happens. The results might surprise you. So now the real question is, what will you grow in 30 days? You've seen what's possible. Now it's your turn. Subscribe and start your $5 protein shelf today.